Dhwani's first stock, and Dhwani, you have also picked out Paytm. Cheryl did mention some of the numbers coming in terms of the operational update there. But on the charts, Dhwani, what are you looking for Paytm over there? You know, from those 483 levels somewhere around in November, surely seen a recovery over there. Now, what should we be expecting?
Also, this recovery that we have seen is supposed to continue. In fact, it has begun a new short-term upward trend over here, and from current levels also we are going bullish on this particular counter. The stock is constantly moving its support levels on the higher side. The next support level now comes at 750. Any fall below 750 would break the structure on the bottom side, but still we are holding above it. So from current levels also one can go long into it. The initial targets over here come at 900.
Initial targets of about 900 coming in for Paytm from Dhwani's end. We also can skip actually today, given the fact that SBI has come up with its numbers. NIMs have come in 11 basis points lower. Dhwani, the stock is under pressure. Where do you see SBI headed from here on?
What we are seeing in SBI, that 600 was on a short-term chart was holding up as a good resistance level, and from there we have seen a steep fall coming in. The fall will continue on this particular counter. 560 seems to be a good support level over here, where we are also seeing on a daily chart a 200 period exponential moving average also might work out over here. But for current levels, the pressure will continue, and the next level to watch out for is 560 on this counter.
Keep an eye out on those levels for SBI. But when you look at the 6-month chart, yes, a sharp up move that what we're seeing coming in for Varun Beverages. But in the last 3 months, when you look at it, it's remained quite range bound that 720 to 820 levels. What is the chart indicating now for this one? Should we expect a further run up?
Yes, absolutely. The charts are indicating strength over here. On a daily chart, we are also getting a handshake crossover on the positives side, and the 50-period exponential moving average is working as a good support for this particular counter. There's also a triangular formation over here, the breakout of which is expected at the level of 830, which we are close to. So we've already seen an up move coming in today's day. So the counter extends its up move to 850 on a conservative side. But given holding the position, 900 is also a good target for this particular counter. 805 should act out as a good support and a stop loss level.
All right, so that's the take coming in on Varun Beverages. Lisa, Axis Bank, how is this one looking in the charts to you? Do you think that this will be the standout amongst the rest of the banking players now?
What you're seeing in Axis Bank over here, that there is an upward, rising channel in this particular counter. Definitely the stock has shown some resistance over there on 990 counter, but then on short-term chart, we are seeing a reversal coming in over here. The ADX also of the chart is rising upward. From current levels, one has to go long and maintain a stop loss here at 925 and trade again into that same channel that we are talking about, and 990 is a positional target over here on this particular part.
Let's move on and talk about Alkem on the charts, Dhwani. What is Alkem indicating on the charts now? Is it time that we should see a sharper run up for this one? Because 33% uptick in the last 6 months. Now what should you do? Or what should one actually be doing?
Yes, absolutely. It's ready for the next up move over here. And in today's session, we've got a confirmation candle as well, which is a nice bold green candle, which is indicating that the run-up will continue over here. Short-term target over here that one can have in next 15 days of a time period is 4240, post which we can also see a number of 4340 also coming over here. A stop loss that is ideally over here is 4030.
All right, so that's the take coming on Alkem Labs. Let's